Hey everybody, Groggy D here with an unboxing of the Uncle Sam fireworks assortment from Phantom. This is my first assortment unboxing on YouTube, and this is a pretty good one. So I'll give you a little look at the outside of the box here. I'll take the lid off, and I want to just show you real quick that this is a tribute to Sam Zolden, the co-founder of Phantom Fireworks. Uncle Sam, I guess, is who he is. Now, I've got a few notes to read as you look at some of these great items. I paid $120. It's normally $300, so that's 70% off. Normally, you're going to pay $160 for this. This is not an. This looks like an assortment of really small stuff if you look, but it's actually kind of a second or third tier up from the smallest of the smalls, being just poppets and poppers, up to really big all cake assortments. So this one falls right in the middle. One of the ways you can tell is just the fact that there is not a lot of fountains at all. I actually did light off one of the only fountains that I had. Yellow Jackets by Phantom, and that was a hybrid fountain with some nice popping shots at the end. Sorry I didn't get to film that one. So I want to set this up and also do demos of just about everything I can in here in a short amount of time that I have to do that. It has a few interesting items before I do set it up that I see right away, like these single shot tubes right here, down to just a little color pearl, pretty good. You got spaceships and stuff. These are like chirping Orioles that I've done on my channel right here. These 8-shot whirling whistle whirl candles by Phantom. Can't really buy those separately too much. I'm going to set this all up and have all the items listed as it is on the bottom of this box here for easier looking and viewing. So we'll set it all up. All right, hope I got this all in frame for you, so you can see. Some stuff are not in frame, like my list of things I'm going to read to you. And I hope my voice picks up. So we're going to start on my left, which is going to be one package of whistle whirl candles. It's a 3-pack. One of the things that gives this some really good value is that these are packs of things, not just individual items. We go with 2 strips of Wolfpack 200 roll crackers, 1.5-inch crackers, really loud, and those are really good. Surprisingly good. You get 6 packs of Wolfpack Lady Fingers. Now 5 right now. Those are surprisingly loud. Like I said, these are little tiny firecrackers, and you never want to shoot those individually. They have tiny little wicks. You wouldn't want to do that. You get 8 M98 crackers. These aren't terribly loud. A lot of this stuff's a little chintzy. That's a good example right there. It's a little chintzy. 8 of those. I blew one off already. Garden in Spring. This is a mediocre fountain with aerials. One of those. You get a large happy planet. It's not exactly sure. I've done these before, but I don't know if I did the large happy planets or happy cake or what. I thought the last one I did was a black label happy, which was 36 shots, I think, maybe even more. This little color pearl is cute. It's going to be a nice one to do for low noise there. 48 shots. It might have a little pop to it, and a lot of pop to the Saturn Mr. battery, 25 shot. Next, you've got the red crackling shell. This is one of the things that was actually very interesting to me that they threw in there. A single shot with red crackling. That's going to be great. I mean, it's not going to be huge. It's going to be like a ball shell, maybe. I might be able to see it over here. But that's whatever. It's like a 1-inch ball shell or so. The next one is actually over here. Artillery shells right here. Do a little unboxing for you. It's got a nice, it's got a good cardboard tube. I've had these with my festival balls, same size, same cardboard. Nice, really small balls, and they're the tiniest I've seen. Hard, really hard, so I think they're okay, not fake. But they don't have any kind of description on the box. It has some good Air Force artwork, but it has, instead of an actual description on the balls, they do have a colored thread. So there's a couple of pinks. One might be pink, one might be orange. There's blue, green, white, and like a purple, it looks like. So that could be how you tell what they do. All right, there's then the copper heads. I haven't looked inside of these, but I don't believe there's any description on those shells. Had those before. They're pretty cool. They make a low noise pop. Toot and twirl way at the top here. This is a little popper, kind of cool. It's a lot like Garden and Spring, I think. Same kind of breaks. Phantom Assorted Floral. Okay, here's the one that for some reason I cannot find. I'm looking at everything at the moment. I do not find that. It does say at the bottom, due to conditions beyond our control, it may be necessary to make substitutions. That could have been the, I don't think so, but that could have been the fountain that I blew off, which was Yellow Jackets. We'll see. I don't see Yellow Jackets. No, so that's the substitution. Well, I finally found out. All right, cool. Air Defense. Okay, Air Defense is next. I've shot this on my, I think, 200 subscriber special with 200 shots of these. These are really cool, these little floral shells, but they make a bad break. It made a couple of little stars, that's it, I think. We'll see. Star Rider, Spitfire, Mars Stars, and Cosmic Rain floral shells. That's a 4-pack of floral shells. 7-inch. We got gyro blooms. These do not have the crackle surprise. These are normal ground blooms, larger though, but about the same duration. So these are not high quality at all. Boo on this. Boo on jumping jacks. And these are very bad jumping jacks. They do not make a lot of them. You get the 4-piece of the gyro blooms, and then you get a 10 packs of these guys. Lots and lots of those to do. I think baby sunflowers are next. You do get 2 packs with 12 in each, so that's 24 right there. There's some value, and those are okay. Usually I don't like these. I should probably show you for sure. Since I have been doing some. Here's some of them that I got left. They're actually a little beefy. They got a good fuse, and they fly okay. They're nice. Some of them go up like drones and kind of hover. The Outer Space should be next, and that's 2 pieces. We've all seen these. 2-stage Outer Space Craft, it says on there. I love some of these weird things you get in assortments. Tank with report. It does come with 2, and I've got some extras left over. These are good. This looks like a same package, I guess. Night. What's next here? Single night parachute. Yes, that's these. Wow, a nice big heavy pack of those. Let's see what the night parachute little flare looks like. That'll be cool. Gotta wait for a night that's not too windy to shoot them off. Then we got these 6-ounce Wolfpack assorted rockets. I gotta reach for those. Here we go. Again, probably not an impressive break on this, but you do get a dozen rockets, which is great. 6, yeah, a dozen. The rockets have different colors on them, but I don't know if they really mean much. You got red tip, black rocket, stuff like that. Next, the Howling Wolf rockets. These have been blowing these off. These have a nice delay pop when they go off. They work pretty well. They're just normal. They got good fuse. The bottle rockets with the report on them, or with the whistling bottle rockets are here. You get 2. What is it? 6 packs of the Wolfpack bottle rockets. You get 6 packs of those. You get 2 packs of the whistling ones. There's an number 8 gold sparkler that comes with it, and these appear to be metal. That's good. All right. Well, we'll have some demos of that, and like I say, I kind of like the value for 120 in the Midwest. You'd only want to pay about 100 for all this, but this right here, for example, they sell this separately all the time, and it's on sale for 25. Sometimes it's 30. So, and one other item I forgot was the military satellites. You get 1 box of 6. There's red and green. It gives a description right here, but I only see 1 green. All right. All right, I've got my new camera here. I've got a nice light on it. Microphone. Here's the bottle rockets that come with the assortment. Nice little bouquet here, and that's a good supply for me. I don't think I need more than that at any time. I'm not a big bottle rocket guy. You don't see a lot of smalls on my channel. One of them does not have a whistle. All right, I like the light. Let's see what we can see here. Oh, here is Whistler. Can't see. All right. Sparkler next. All right, next we've got the Destroyer of Driveways, Gyro Bloom. It's a ground bloom. All right, you got your old friend Jumping Jacks. Another driveway destroyer. So let's see it on here. Where's that fuse at? Over here. screen now. Here's the green military satellite. Oh yeah. See, I like that little crackle. Good pop. Good pop. Alright, what else we got? Mostly one color. Alright. Okay, here goes nothing with a M98. That was loud. Now we've got a sturdy pack of ladyfingers. This thing holds together so well. It's a shame to blow them off. Alright, little finale here with 46 shot color pearl. Okay. Alright. Would like to have been a little further back. That's cool. Okay. I've got single night parachute. Nice long delay fuse. Alright, we got a copperhead ball shell. This is crackling. Another tight squeeze in this tube here. Alright, I like that. Alright, time to do a little skyrocket session here. This one's got green stars. Good. Not too loud. Great. Silver Rain. Multicolored stars. Great strobes. Glitter. Red stars. Again, good blue stars, and we should get some crackle here. Silver Rain didn't have crackle. No, there's no crackle. Here is a report. Uh-oh. See how loud the report is with my microphone. And once again, no report. Alright, this is floral shell number 1. We got Star Rider. Yeah, kind of like I thought, just a little poof. Here is Spitfire. Here's Mars stars. Got a cosmic rain are gonna fall. Hi, alright, I've had many of these cakes before. This is Garden Spring. It says 7 shots, but I think it's 6 with a fountain. Copperhead shell, blue. That was hard to get in frame. Wide angle this time for red. Yeah, that was good. Toot and twirl. 7 shots. I haven't really done this one much. Kind of cool. That was kind of cool. I think I'll just do one of the artillery ball shells. This was the one with the dark purple thread on the ball. Don't know if that's purple or what. That was actually a very nice round shot. Couple people popping off tonight. Christmas Eve, we got Saturn missile batteries. A loud response. $25 of those, and 200 firecrackers. Whistle whirl candle, 8 ball. Okay, a little different than the generic dripping Oriole 8 shots. A little different. Okay, this should be interesting. We got a red to crackling shell, number 5. Don't know what to expect here. That was a nice tail on that. Cool. the night parachute that came straight down. All right, folks, final finale for the Uncle Sam assortment. We've got Air Defense and Happy Planets, both at the same time, I hope. Let's hope this lights well. This one's for you, Sam. Merry Christmas, Christmas night. Finishing it off with an excellent air defense volley. All right, Uncle Sam. Your assortment was okay, not the greatest, but it was fun, and it gave me a lot of stuff to blow off. Thank you, Sam. Groggy D.